Hello, dear friends. Have you ever wondered why some people put toothpaste on a kitchen knife? Stay with me until the very end of this demonstration, because what you will see might surprise you. After preparing many meals, chopping vegetables, and cutting meat, it is natural that a knife becomes dull and no longer cuts the way it should. It can even crush delicate fruit instead of slicing it. But do not worry, because today I will show you how to restore sharpness in a very quick and practical way. Before we begin, tell me in the comments from which country you are watching this video. I always enjoy learning where all of you are joining from. It makes sharing these home tips even more special. Now, let us move on to the method. Take a small amount of toothpaste and apply it carefully along both sides of the knife blade. The toothpaste creates additional friction, which plays an important role during the sharpening process. Spread it evenly, and then leave the knife aside for a couple of minutes, so the paste can settle. Next, take a ceramic plate and turn it upside down. The unglazed ring on the bottom works just like a sharpening stone and will allow us to sharpen the knife effectively. For even better results, sprinkle a tablespoon of salt across the base. After that, pour in a little vinegar and spread it gently so it mixes with the salt along the edge. Now pay close attention to the sharpening technique. Do not move the blade back and forth randomly because that can damage the edge. Instead, hold the knife at about a 20-degree angle against the plate and always sharpen from top to bottom in a smooth motion. The ingredients we are using each play a role. Vinegar helps dissolve small patches of rust, toothpaste increases friction, and salt also contributes to the sharpening process. In just a few minutes, you will notice that the blade is already much sharper. To take the process one step further, sprinkle baking soda across the knife, add a little more vinegar, and allow the natural chemical reaction to occur. This will remove stains and any leftover rust. Finally, take a sponge and wipe the knife until it shines. If you are enjoying these tips and have not yet subscribed, now is the perfect moment to click like and subscribe for more creative solutions. I truly appreciate your support. And now it is time to test the result. The knife glides through thin slices effortlessly, cutting fruit cleanly without crushing it. This method is not only fast but also highly effective. Try it for yourself and you will see how easy it is to restore the sharpness of your kitchen knives at home.